I know it's been a minute, but your girl is here today to give you a tutorial on the Brother SE. All right, but before we start, I'm gonna need y'all to like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'm only 9 subscribers away from 500 subscribers. I know that may not sound like a lot to y'all, but that's a big deal to me, okay? Because that was one of my goals from last year, to get 500 subscribers. And I was this close. So let's make it happen, okay? Now let's get into it. Okay, step 1. You're gonna put your thread through here. Boom, y'all heard that click, boom. Then, I'm gonna put it around this white part right here, boom. Then you're gonna go down, and around. Then apparently there's like some little part in here. Yep, okay. Then 5, and then let me adjust the camera. Then we'll hook right here. And you see the 6. So we're gonna, okay, hook it through. Did I get it? There we go. All right, so boom, you have 2 options here. You could thread it like a normal sewing machine and just put it through the needle right there. Boom, be done, slide it under, be done. Or you can use your fancy tool. Slide that thing right here, go around number 7. Back it up to number 8, slice that thing. You wanna make sure that your needle is up in order for this part to work properly. It's definitely threaded now. You're gonna grab this, pull it through. Okay, I got these nails, I can't pull it through, okay. Pull it through. All right. And then you're gonna slide it in underneath. Slide it in underneath. You see that? Beautiful.